So this is my urine sample. Wait. Hello people. Hello, good morning. Mama say hi guys.
Good guys.
Say good morning.
Honey.
It's been a while.
Why?
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say it's been a while.
Why?
So guys, we are still in bed. Just woke up. It's a bright new morning and this is 8 a.m. in the morning Nigerian time. Okay, so how are you guys doing? Who and who missed me here? We are back. We are back. Mama say we are back.
We're back.
By the grace of God.
Good.
Yes, my love. So guys, we have good news, good news, good news. Mama said there is good news. Good news, yes, my baby. So we have good news today. So let me get up from bed and yeah, so that I can break the good news for you guys. I can break the good news to you guys.
Oh.
B. What?
B.
Hmm?
S.
Hmm? What is this one saying? What are you saying? Look at the camera. What are you saying?
B.
Say hi guys. Yeah, say hi guys. What? Take that in. Say hi guys. Okay. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Happy baby. Yeah, good. Hello, 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 my beautiful people, my wonderful people, my good family and friends. Welcome back to my life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Oh God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back, okay? What? Eh? Oh yeah, jump. See the wire. Come now. I'm so excited to be back here. I've been sick and I've been resting, I've been busy, I've been doing a lot of things behind the camera, okay? So today I want to unveil this good news. Good news. Yeah, because I have wonderful people here. I have my amazing fans. I have my good people that love me, okay? So I don't have to put them in the dark, okay? So I said today is the right day for me and the right time for me to tell you guys that we are Stop making noise. When I'm talking, don't talk. Go and bring that cockroach for me. See cockroach. Go and bring it for me. See cockroach here. So guys, I feel I should share this good news with you people. I cannot hide it forever. There are some things you cannot hide. So easy, easy. treasure. That we are. Why is this girl disappointing me? We are expecting baby number 2. Yay! Oh my goodness. So that's good news I want to share with you guys. I know it's not good news to some people, okay? But for me, it is a good news for me because a lot of people are looking for this. They are praying, they are spending money, but God gave me free of charge without stress. What? God gave me free of charge. So I'm going to do a confirmation. I have already done it before, but I have to show to you guys. I'm going to carry out a live pregnancy test and show you guys. Yeah, so let's begin the journey together, okay? Yeah. If you're happy for me, please drop a sweet comment. Drop a sweet comment if you are happy. If you're a lover of babies, lover of children, okay, lover of grandchildren, drop a sweet comment. Oh my goodness. So guys, here I have my pregnancy test strip. I have not opened it. I'm going to open it with you guys. And I have my cup. I'm going to urinate. I have my urine already, but I'm going to put my urine here. My sample. I'm going to put my sample here, and then let's carry out the test together. Now let's go to the bathroom. So guys, I'm in my bathroom now, okay? And let's carry out the test together. This is my test strip. This is my test strip. Let me show you guys the urine sample. So this is my urine sample. This is my urine sample. So I'm going to open my test strip. I'll open the test strip. Okay. Okay, so this is my test strip. You can see. Now let's dip in the urine. Okay, I will just hold it like this. So you guys, you can see the first line and the second line. See the 2 lines, and this confirmed that we are expecting baby number 2. This confirmed that we are expecting baby number 2. Yeah. I told you guys. Nepa, what is your problem? We are expecting baby number 2. Thank God we are done with our test before Nepa do their nonsense. So guys, it is what it is. It is what it is. So if you're happy for me, drop a sweet comment. Drop a sweet comment. I promise to carry you guys along until we welcome our baby number 2. So Iniebas is going to have a brother now, brother or a sister. A brother or a sister, or even a brother and a sister. Who knows? Who knows if we are expecting twins? Hey. When God says yes, no man can say no. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. So, my wonderful people, I'm shy. I'm pregnant. I am shy, I am shy. Why shall I be shy? Why shall I be shy? Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Share. Okay? Forget to subscribe, like, and share, and drop a sweet comment, and turn on the post notification so that when I drop a new video, you will be the very first to get notified. Okay? Bye. Love you.
Mommy.
Come and sit down.
Mommy.
Come.
Mommy.
I'll leave you. Take spoon.
Mommy,
Take Guys, have you seen what this girl is doing? It's recording. It's recording. Oh yeah, eat. I want you to be happy. Say thank you, mommy. Hello, guys.
Hi guys. Mommy, what is the fruit?
This is mixed cereal pap. Mixed cereal pap. Tell guys that you want to eat mixed cereal pap. Say, I want to eat mixed cereal pap. Come and sit down, it's finished. Guys, come and join us. Come and join us. We are taking pap. This is mixed cereal pap. It's hot though. Let me put on the fan so that it will get cold fast, okay? Okay? Sit down, eat, you sit. Table manner. What did I say? Say table manner. Yes? Water. Please ignore the noise. It's my fan that is making noise. Mama, do you like it? Like it? Enjoy. Open your mouth. You don't want to eat again. Shakara. Where are you going to? Come and sit down. That's your own now. Ah!